I'm testing out the Anthter air fryer toaster oven. I've put in an English muffin. As you can tell, it's a little bit loud on the toast air fry setting. I'll show you what this looks like on the inside. Using the tray with the wire rack. Been in for about 5 minutes. You see, English muffin is toasted. It's like pretty evenly on both sides. Still making a little bit of noise. So you have a light that you can turn on and check your progress. It doesn't stay on, but you can see what's going on inside of there. If you turn this sometimes to bake or warm or pizza, there's the pizza bagel setting, and it's not loud at all on that setting. But you can also use the timer here and the different temperatures. Overall, it's not a bad little oven for what it's used for.